a car, bought a tablet, and big phones. You forgot all about us. You wake up very early in the morning, leave for work, not knowing how you have slept. In the evening, you come very late from work, only to find me and my siblings asleep. On weekends, Mara, you're going out with friends. Oh, Mara, you're doing what? When are you going to find time for us? Immediately close school. They have CC. You take us to Geshagi, only to come for us when schools are opening. Dad, Mom, do you know you're strangers to us? It's true, feed us well, clothe us, and take us to expensive schools. Higher house girls that atindo tusifanye kazi yoyote. Bravo! Bravo for that. But who? Who will teach us to be men and women who can depend on themselves? Dad, Mom, I will really want a company. Sit down with you, have a laugh together, tell you about school and my personal life. Because I also do have a personal life. Do you even know which class I am? School meetings you don't attend. You always say, niko busy sana. That's why we are turning out to be big men and big women who are just like babies. Parents, set aside time to get to know your kids. Your presence matters more than your presence. Thank you.